Guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix installation has failed error Discord on your Windows. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to go to Google and you need to just write Microsoft.com framework and make sure to use basically link by Microsoft.com. As you can see here, Microsoft.NET Framework 4.5, and then download it and install it to your computer and see if you have basically same error or not. And if you do, then what you need to do here next is to basically press Windows and R key and then just write %appdata%. Press OK and then go to Discord here and Discord basically delete this folder. And then what you need to do here is to re-download Discord again and the problem should be fixed, right? So that's pretty much it what I want to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.